to another wee video here. This is another mashup song that we use in a musical, and we go into the intergenerational project. When we go into the care homes, we try and create a mashup song, as we call it, involving an old song and a new song. So we try and get ideas from the residents and from the kids of songs that they might like and that they might not each know. And then hopefully by the end we've got sort of a big piece that we can all play. And we try and keep these songs simple because we can use figure notes to get people to play various melodies, or bass notes or chords, or the rhythms are quite simple, and that way we can get a big group playing along with varied musical ability. So this is one we came up with where the resident had given us The Story of My Life by Michael Holiday, and the kids had asked to do Three Little Birds by Bob Marley and the Wailers. So this is what it sounded like.
Someday I'm gonna write the story of my life. I'll tell you about the night we met and how my heart can't forget the way you smiled at me. I'd like the world to know the story of my life. Rise in the morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds beside my doorstep, singing sweet songs, our melodies pure and full, singing, this is my message to you.
So there's a shortened version of that song. So when we do these in the care homes, we can make them as long as we want to. We can add different sections in, and that's what we did with this one, more or less. So there you go. That's one of the mashups.